everyone. So today we're going to tackle about the properties common to all woods. The mechanical properties of wood include strength in tension and compression, shear, cleavage, hardness, static bending, and shock, impact bending, and toughness. There are 12 properties of woods: color, luster, texture, macrostructure, odor, shrinkage, internal stresses, swelling, cracking, warping, density, sound, electrothermal conductivity, and moisture. But the most important properties of wood are odor and color and odor. Most trees are characterized by a typical color and odor. Thus, walnut wood is distinguished by its typical dark brown color. Similarly, a freshly cut teak wood has a golden yellow shade. The soft woods like deodar and pine show light colors. As regards odor, quite a few kinds of woods are immediately identified by their characteristic smell. Thick kinds of wood have an aromatic smell. The pine smell of resins. The color and odor, however, may show variation. Specific gravity. Wood is a very light material, its specific gravity being always less than 1. It is interesting to note, however, that if the wood tissue is compacted in such a way that not even a few pores are left in it, then its specific gravity will approach 1.5. It will become heavier than water. Moisture content. All woods are porous to some extent. Further, all woods are hygroscopic in nature. They gain moisture from the atmosphere and lose moisture to the atmosphere, depending on moisture content of their cells vis-a-vis the humidity in the atmosphere.
Grain. By grain, it is understood that the arrangement and direction of the wood elements, trunk heads, fibers, and vessels. In a normal wood, the trunk heads and vessels called collectively as fibers grow parallel to the length of the tree trunk. This type structure is called a straight grain. The fibers may be very tightly and closely packaged, giving rise to fine grain texture in wood. Shrinkage and swelling. The newly cut wood loses moisture when subject to drying naturally or artificially. On drying, the wood undergoes shrinkage. Similarly, dry wood on getting red melt or wetted may undergo considerable swelling. It is known that the drying process, moisture from the wood is lost first from the cell cavity and then from the cell's walls. It only when water lost from the cell walls and then the wood starts shrinking. Strength. The most important fact about the strength of timber is that it's not the same all direction. This is because wood is an anisotropic material having a different structure in different directions. Hence, the strength of wood determined with reference to the direction of the grain of the wood under load.